Hello everyone, and welcome! Today we are going to understand some of the most important basic concepts in electronics: conductors, insulators, intrinsic semiconductors, and extrinsic semiconductors. These materials form the foundation of all electronic devices we use today. Let's begin with conductors. Conductors are materials that allow electric current to flow easily. This is because they have a large number of free electrons available for movement. Common examples include copper, aluminum, silver, and gold. Conductors are used in wires, cables, and connectors because they carry electricity efficiently with very low resistance. Next, let's look at insulators. Insulators are materials that do not allow electric. Materials like rubber, plastic, glass, and wood are good insulators. They are used for safety, such as wire insulation, switchboards, and protective equipment, to prevent electric shock. Now we move to semiconductors, which are very special materials. Semiconductors are materials whose conductivity lies between conductors and insulators. Their most important property is that their conductivity can be controlled by temperature, light, or by adding impurities. This ability makes semiconductors the heart of electronic devices like diodes, transistors, ICs, sensors, and microprocessors. Semiconductors are of two types: intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic semiconductors are pure semiconductor materials, such as pure silicon or pure germanium. In their pure form, they have very few free electrons. When heat is applied, some electrons break free and contribute to conduction. However, pure semiconductors are not very useful for practical electronics. That brings us to extrinsic semiconductors. Extrinsic semiconductors are formed by adding small amounts of impurities to intrinsic semiconductors. This process is called doping. Doping increases the number of charge carriers and improves conductivity. There are two types of extrinsic semiconductors: N-type, where electrons are the majority charge carriers; P-type, where holes are the majority charge carriers. These P-type and N-type materials are combined to create all modern electronic components. In summary, conductors allow current easily. Insulators block current. Semiconductors allow controlled flow of current. Intrinsic semiconductors are pure, while extrinsic semiconductors are doped to improve conductivity. And that's how these four materials shape the entire world of electronics. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and share.